Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And as you know, guys, today is the day. It's the day when you have the first fish fry ever in Kenya. First fish fry ever in Kenya family. And it's at JamRock. And it's at JamRock family. So, you know what I mean, guys, we're going there right now. I'm at my Jamaican sister place and I'm just waiting for her to come. And then, you know what I mean, once she come, family, we're gonna go out. Yeah, I'm just waiting on her. Yeah, then I'll go out, yeah. So I'm just waiting for my Jamaican sister to come, family, while we go, family, while we go. So there she's coming, guys. So let's go.
Yo!
No, nice boy, good man.
It good? The food is good?
Yeah.
Yeah, family, so I'm there at Jam Tour, JamRock. Just reach.
A sample.
Eh?
Go for a sample.
Alright, cool. So we just reached at JamRock and the place pack up. So we're there and we just reach. First thing I want to get some pudding, sweet potato pudding. Yeah, family. So, yeah, Ricardo said the potato pudding under the same like last week. So I'm going to check and see for myself. What you said? The one last week better, not true? Taste it and let me know. For me, the one last week better, Ricardo. One last week, better.
Yeah, man.
You know that too. Salty.
Yeah.
Yes.
When it gets cool,
Yes.
it will get firmer.
Very firm.
Yeah. But it just over salt.
Yeah.
Salt get firmer and I use.
This is how we go. Two batch.
Yeah.
One batch about no salt at all. And then we say,
So, okay, so that mess it up.
what see something, you know?
That way, yeah. Yeah, family. So, you know, have some sorrel here. It's very tasty. Yeah. Remind me of Christmas time in Jamaica.
Best experience I've
One's thicker than the might. Blow up the place. Blow up the boat. What's that me have? What's that me I think of 4.
3 you gone already?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's try that. But my favorite place so far is Rwanda.
Rwanda.
if you don't need a big city.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to visit there. Never go there yet?
Our place we've been is Tanzania.
Rwanda. Some people like it, some people don't like it. Big up to you.
What you like about it?
Clean, organized, safe. The temperature is good.
Yeah.
You know, every place have their little ups and downs, so we want them to love it. But when we talk
Box along. How much better now? About 4?
boy, I don't know enough. You know, so I'm gone one from.
You don't gone no, you don't win none or what?
I gone one, the pause one time, you know.
You win none?
Yeah, man. The pause one.
You know what I'm saying? Michael Blow drop it more. I was there with the driver, so.
So when you come in the country, so how long you plan to spend? 3 weeks. Yeah man, show the people them JamRock. We can want to get some people to come in and tap in and full up the place every weekend. Just go through.
Nice one, and we turn out this one.
Turn it the other way.
So wait and look for me for.
Yeah, family, so we're there.
Alright, talk to them.
Just go and take the video. We do a voice over. My play?
Oh, I got the dance. I'm here to dance. I'll jump into it up. Oh, hi, wife. I like that. Want to say something, wife? I'm wife. No. Who am I to say something? I don't get it. I'm here for Austin. I'm here for you know what? When I'm going to be, they're trying. Look here. They were messing with me, Look, me get a whole for content for you now.
Yeah man. That's
Yeah.
I want the people to come
Alright,
in.
see, me want one of that too now.
Yeah.
Make sure you take me. I'm a nice family.
It's the Queen of Jamaica and Kenya family.
That's right. Empress.
Queen of Jamaica, yes. Empress. Yeah.
Empress. This is here in the town.
Yeah, family, it's the fish. Sorrel.
Yeah, it would cause them rolling. Party's going all right. Yeah. Yeah.
I hope this doesn't sound like a stupid question, but did you guys meet here as Jamaicans, or
Yes.
did you know each other from before?
No.
No. None of us know each other.
And they think we know each other the way we act, right?
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
I mean, I thought you guys knew each other for at least
No,
the
we
past,
don't.
like,
No.
couple months.
Imagine if we can have like 10,000
It's very
Jamaican
much
in
like
Kenya.
Kenyans when we meet outside in Kenyan. Okay, nice to see you.
Yeah, yes, it's the DNA. It's the DNA.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the DNA.
Yeah.
We know each other, and I'm telling you, it's like if it hurt one of us, it hurt all of us right now. Like literally.
But that's the thing, when you think about it, I feel like Jamaicans, we come together more when we go outside of Jamaica.
I know, but that's captivity when you're in the prison. And you know, you
But I think it's also the same thing for like Kenyans, because Kenyans are more,
Yes.
we're more,
Too much distraction.
we choose more to be together when we're outside there, as opposed to like here, the Kenyans don't.
Because we're home. I think
Exactly.
it is because we're
But
home.
also, let's be very
that's
frank.
connects-
And I was telling
connects us
Chris,
too.
Yes.
Chris,
Being home
Yes.
connects us.
Yes.
I was telling Chris the order of this.
Because we're happy to see each other.
Yeah.
Hey, I couldn't wait till I get here to see you guys.
Yeah.
Like, I want to look for my brothers and my sisters. Seriously.
Yeah, that's how it
I've
is.
been to so many restaurants in Kenya
Wow.
that serve Jamaican food that are not run by Jamaicans.
Oh, really?
So many. Yeah.
Really?
There's so many restaurants. There's so many restaurants here that do jerk chicken. They say Jamaican cuisine, but they're
Not Jamaican.
Authentic Jamaican.
Oh, well, this is a Jamaican.
So when Chris told me, hey, come here, there's a Jamaican place, when I came, I was waiting to hear, my name is Kimani, my name is Roger. When he opened the mouth and he said I'm from Jamaica, I was like, finally.
Yeah.
It's the same thing happened to me too when I came, you know, because I find them in the, what happened, believe it or not, I'm here to ringleader, because when I came, I told Lloyd, and I think maybe that's how you know John Tour, right? Or you know.
Well, I know from the thing, from the event, yeah, the
right,
event.
But I mean, no, make Kia know.
Oh, yeah. And
So,
then Kia announced it.
Right.
Yeah.
So I mean, make the circle
Oh,
know
for
about
fighter.
it. So I tell Kia and everybody, and that's what happened. Cause you see, when I came though, cause I was older than everybody really.
Yeah.
So what happened? Everyone that I know, older than Kia, blah blah blah, older than Lloyd. So even though I was older, I was still the young one.
Yeah. Fresh off the boat.
Yes. No, I mean young.
Yeah.
I was still the young one. The most.
Yeah, family, that is it for JamRock. Fish fry. Winding down, it's at 12. And it was a good time. We played domino and we relaxed. And now we're heading home, family.
By ourselves.
So like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts.
No, just a quickening in our
You're
heart.
like, on the plane, I'm out.
On the plane, I'm out.
Yeah.
How has your reception been in the country?
Great. Wonderful.
That's all. Do you know, I was talking to a couple of my friends the other day. A lot of them went to international schools, and I told them, Kenya, I went to study in Australia. I did my uni there for about 6 years. But Kenya is the only country I can clearly say in Africa where I've never heard it in my lifetime where somebody has ever told somebody else, go back to your country.
Ah, yeah.
I've never heard it.
Yeah, I
I
never.
heard it in Australia. I heard it nearly every week.
And in
Australia.
America, in America, we hear
America,
that.
in the
Yeah,
UK,
in
I heard that.
America, yeah.
But one good thing is we don't have xenophobia.
Yeah.
That's one thing we don't have here
Yeah.
at all.
Yeah.
In
Well,
fact,
there's a small amount of thing. Well, I can't even say it with Nigerians. I can't even say it, but
And in Ghana,
because they've been doing things, so I guess.
exactly.
I just,
But see,
I guess-
that's them thinking that
That's-
you guys are coming in on their
Yeah,
space.
yeah.
It's not a Kenyan saying don't open your restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
We we literally don't understand that. And we
Besides
find
the
it
government,
Yeah, yeah.
the Kenyan people make us feel welcome.
We've had guys who've opened up restaurants here, foreigners who've opened up restaurants here, and other people have talked badly about their restaurants, and Kenyans have come in and said, nah man, I've been to that restaurant, I know this
Right,
I
right,
like that,
right,
yeah.
right.
Whatever you're saying is that's your opinion.
Just like when we were surprised, even when we were here, and we're different. Clearly, we are Jamaican, and we play our music and everything. Yes. the store don't say nothing, and I was saying, sure the store wouldn't say nothing when you make it up, and they didn't. I was like, wow, man. I'm
Yeah,
grateful for
fam.
that.
We've never
Like, share, and
created
comment
We've
on the
never
video.
created that
We are
environment
out. One
to
love.
make people say that.
God
We've never
bless.
had that.
Right,
From
right.
JamRock.
We've not, even in
Yes.